Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can make a tax-free income stream. If you want to find out how I do it, keep watching. Hi guys, it's Enny, aka the Knock Trader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, back again with another video. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. I need to get some more engagement, guys. Come on, leave a comment. I've got Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at the Knock Trader on all social media platforms. And if you check in the description section below, you'll see a link to my mailing list, and you also see a link to my Discord group. If you want to join either of those, you'll get direct emails directly to your inbox of all my latest videos. And if you join my Discord group, you'll get to join a great community of traders and investors where we talk about everything and anything to do with trading and investing. Yeah, join the community today. Now, I called this video how to make tax-free income. And I say that because a lot of the income streams that we have are taxed. When you go to work, you pay tax on it. You pay national insurance, you pay council tax. When you go to a house, you're paying taxes for the house once you sell it, or once you buy it, you pay stamp duty. So most of the income streams you have, you pay tax on it. So now I thought I'd give you a video explaining a way of making money that is tax free. You get to keep all the profits and it's legal. So let's get straight into it. As you guys know already, this is a technical analysis stock trading channel. So I'm not going to stray too far away from the content I'm creating. So when I talk about a tax-free income stream, I'm talking about one of these three. So there's three main ways in the UK and in Europe of trading stocks. You can do either share dealing, which is buying and selling stocks on the stock market. So you're buying with the intention of the prices going up, so you can sell at profit. Or you can make dividends through holding these shares, and then you get quarterly or monthly dividends from the stocks. You also have CFDs, which is contract for differences, which is all about having a one-to-one. They track a stock on one-to-one parity, so you won't have direct access to this stock or share, so you won't actually own the share, but you can still make money off of it as if you own it. And then you have spread betting. Now spread betting is, as you can tell from the name, it's about betting on the spread. You bet on the stock going up or down, and if you're right, you'll make a certain amount of money based on how far the price moves in the direction that you predicted it would, and then you close out your position for profit, but you do not own the underlying stock as well. So CFDs and spread betting, you actually don't own the underlying asset, and share dealing you do. I go into this further in my training course for beginners on trading. But these are three ways of trading stocks. What does that have to do with tax-free income? Well, one of these is a way of making income on the stock markets, but you are not taxed on them. Two of them you are. I'll give you a second to work out which one is the tax-free one. Well, it's not share dealing, because as you know, once you buy stocks, you're subject to taxes such as capital gains tax once you sell the stock. Not CFDs, because contracts for differences, you also have to pay tax on the profits that you make. So it only leaves spread betting. Now spread betting, this is why I love spread betting, and this is exactly why I actually use spread betting as the financial derivative of my choice when trading stocks. It's because one of the main things that entice me to spread betting is that it is tax free. And I'm going to explain to you why it's tax free in the next slide. So why is spread betting tax free? Or as I like to call it, tax free trading. Well, spread betting, you pay no capital gains tax on the profit. So unlike CFDs and share dealing, where if you make a profit, you at the end of the year you might have to make a self-assessment, and you can pay up to 15% of your winnings back to the government. Spread betting is tax free, so you keep all of the profits. And this is because it's considered gambling by the HMRC. Because you do not own the underlying asset, you're speculating on the direction of price, and you place a bet on it, and if you're right, you can take a profit. But because HMRC consider it as gambling, the same way they consider betting on sports gambling, if you turn a profit, you get to keep all of it. Now they do this, but this is as long, there's one caveat, and the caveat is as long as it's not your main source of income. So if you're a really profitable trader and you don't work anymore and this is your only sole source of income, then you may be liable to tax. But for the most part, the people that are making enough money for spread betting to be their sole source of income normally have ways of getting around it through clever accounting or just, I don't know, tax avoidance ways. But you have to know that you have to make sure that you know that if it's your sole source of income, you could be liable to taxes. But why is spread betting tax free? Well, the real reason why spread betting is tax free is because the majority of traders lose money. You always see on different trading platforms, 70% or between 70 and 90% of people that trade lose money through CFDs or spread betting. And because the majority of people that trade on through CFD or spread betting lose money, if the government was to tax spread betting, they could people that are making losses could offset against their taxes, and it'd probably lead to the government actually losing money rather than making money. So they'd rather just let people keep the profits free, because for the most part, most people aren't making much profit on spread betting. It's a very small minority of people that are actually making enough of a profit on spread betting for them to tax. So they rather just make a blanket law that it's tax free for everyone, and they just pass and tax the trading platforms rather than actually taxing the individuals, because it would get a bit messy, seeing as most people are making losses. So yeah, I just thought I'd make a short video on how and why I spread bet. And spread betting is a great way of trading because of one of many reasons. There's lots of other reasons that I haven't gone into this video, but because it's a tax-free income stream. So once you get profitable, you get to keep 100% of your winnings. And doesn't that sound great? Anyways, Any, aka the Not Trader, signing out.